Hi everyone, SK here. Today I want to share with you how you can use mirror merge in Microsoft Excel to generate your certificates or e-certificates in just a few steps. If you are in education industry or if you are a coach, trainer, and you need to print certificates for your students, by using mirror merge, you will be able to merge the name from Microsoft Excel Spreadsheet to the certificate templates in Microsoft Word. It will then save a lot of your time. Let's go to my computer. Let's open the name list file in Excel. Let's say you are a training company and you have conducted digital marketing training program for all of these participants, and right now you are going to prepare certificates for all of them. And this list is actually the same list, but is actually without the title and the date. You will see the differences between these two lists when we go into the mirror merge part. Now we come into our certificate template in Microsoft Word. So we have the training title, digital marketing, ready. We have the training date ready, and we also have the trainer's name. Except the name here, the participant's name that we are going to merge from the name list. Now we click at Mirror Links menu and we click at this Start Mirror Merge and we choose letters. Then we go to select recipients. Here we have type a new list, use an existing list, or you can choose from Outlook contacts. We are going to merge with our name list in Excel, so we choose use an existing list. So we choose our name list file, click open, and here it asks you to choose which one you want to merge. It's either sheet number 1 or sheet number 2. Let's say we choose sheet number 1, click OK. Then go to edit recipient list. So this is the name list file. F2 is first name, F3 is last name. We will merge this F2 and F3. And let's say we don't edit anything and click OK, see what happened after we merge. Now click Insert Merge Field. So we are going to insert F2 and F3. F2 space F3. Now we click Finish and Merge and we choose Edit Individual Documents. Here you can merge all the pages or you can choose certain pages. We choose all. From here you can see the date of the training, the trainer's name. This is empty one. And the title of the column. All these come out. This is because all these fall under the same column. Then only followed by the participant's name. Now let's back to edit recipient list. So here actually we have to untick this and we click OK. Then now we merge again. Okay, now you see we only get the participant's name. Now let's go back to merge with sheet number 2. So we click select recipient. Select sheet number 2. Then go to edit recipient list. So this list we do not need to edit anything because this list is actually without the training title and the date. So we just click OK. Now go to Insert Merge Field. We are going to merge first name and last name. First name space last name. So now we click Finish and Merge. So this one we only get the name of the participants. Now you can go to print if you want to print it. Print, or you can save as e-certificates. Select PDF, click on Options. Here you can save all the pages or you can save only certain pages and just click OK. For those who wants to use PowerPoint to design your own templates, but PowerPoint do not have mirror merge, right? Let's see how we can fix it. If this is the certificate template that you design in PowerPoint, then go to File, click Save As, and choose PDF, and just click Save. Now back to Word, go to File, select Open, and select the certificate template that you save as PDF. Click OK. So now you can use the certificate template in Word and you can start to do the mirror merge. And if you want to get more beautiful and free templates, you can try Canva.com. Let's go to Canva.com. I will put this link below the description. So here you click on Custom Size and you key in the size that you want. Example, and here you search for certificate. So you can use the templates here. And the templates with the crown icon, you have to subscribe to use it. Those without the icon are all free. If this is the template you choose, then you go to Share, click Download, and here select PDF Standard and just click Download. That's all about my sharing for today. If this video helps you learn how to use mirror merge, please give this video a thumbs up and please click on the subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you and see you soon.